What is up, everybody? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? Welcome to the night ride in middle of November. Sort of middle, beginning of November, whatever. Look at the moon. You didn't know, as you're watching this, it'll be too late. I'm sorry because it happened already and whatever, but Tuesday the 8th, it'll be the last, I think it's lunar eclipse. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong, whatever, in the comments below. Last lunar eclipse of the year, from like 5:30 to 6:30 in the morning. I really don't want to wake up to that, but it's gonna look cool, so I'm like, I don't know. But it's not what this is about. Generally related, because it's going to be on the day, tomorrow, November 8th. Go vote! Go cast your constitutional right, whatever. Go use your constitutional right. There it is. To vote. As long as you are 1, 18 year up, 2, an American citizen, and 3, not a felon, because, well, you fucked your life up there. Suck. And also, I'm going to say this. If you don't vote, obviously this is for like congressional stuff and Senate and whatever, town, whatever. This isn't presidential stuff, but still. These are senators and congressmen, or congresswomen, whatever you want to call them, that will, what's the word I'm looking for, will determine most of what happens to you for the next couple of years, because they make the laws. And if you don't go vote, then don't say shit for the next couple of years, because you either, one, I'm sorry, if you're under the age of 17, you can complain, because obviously you aren't legally allowed to vote, so that's fine. But if you're one of those people who doesn't use their rights, doesn't voice their opinion, whatever, and then complains, I wish they did this, I can't believe they did that, well, then you should have voted. Obviously, you know, one vote isn't really the biggest thing in the world, but one vote over, you know, if you have a million people thinking my vote doesn't matter, well, a million votes would matter. Total. So go out, vote. It literally takes 0 time. I mean, you go to your polling place, you might stay in line for a couple minutes, you vote, you leave, go get dinner somewhere, go pick up something and have a cool night. Ah, that sounded so nice. But it is, go out and vote, because it really, like, honestly does not hurt anything. Helps. You have the right to do it, you might as well use it, might as well voice your opinion on things. And then when things don't go your way, you can complain. And obviously there is a way that I hope you vote. That's a police officer right there. Riding has made me very, very apparent to her, knowledgeable, whatever, it's not the right word. But obviously there is a way I hope you vote. There is an opinion that I have, opinions that I have, that would mean I hope you vote the color that I agree with, but we're not going to get into that because just I don't want it. I don't want it.